The 2025 Subaru Crosstrek blurs the distinction between a large hatchback and a compact SUV, establishing itself as a unique, adventure-ready, and budget-friendly vehicle within its class. Having undergone a complete redesign last year, we anticipate minimal changes for the 2025 model. If you find the Crosstrek size limiting, Subaru's larger Forester and Outback models offer comparable capabilities. Equipped with standard all-wheel drive and boasting 8.7 inches of ground clearance, the 2025 Subaru Crosstrek surpasses other subcompact SUVs in off-road capability, making it a favorite in four-season regions and among outdoor enthusiasts. The Wilderness model takes it a step further, conquering more challenging terrains with 9.3 inches of clearance, underbody skid plates, all-terrain tires, and a reinforced roof rack for overlanding tents. In addition to its off-road prowess, the Crosstrek is notably efficient, with an estimated 29 miles per gallon in combined city and highway driving, a figure we comfortably exceeded in our testing. Given the scarcity of subcompact SUVs with the Crosstrek's capabilities, those seeking an equivalent will likely need to size up. In such cases, we recommend exploring options like the Ford Bronco Sport and Jeep Wrangler, which excel off-road but may compromise on-road comfort. For a more city-friendly experience, alternatives include the Chevrolet Trailblazer, Mazda CX-30, and Volkswagen Taos. Subaru has equipped the current Crosstrek with an impressive array of standard safety features encompassing automatic emergency braking, forward collision warning, pedestrian detection, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, automatic high beam assist, and evasive steering assist. Safety enhancements also include blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, reverse automatic emergency braking, and reverse collision warning. The 2025 Subaru Crosstrek is expected to retain these safety features. Anticipated to hit the market in the summer of 2024, the 2025 Subaru Crosstrek is likely to maintain its existing pricing range, starting from $26,290 and reaching up to $32,190. Stay tuned for an unparalleled blend of capability, efficiency, and safety in the upcoming Crosstrek model.